Welcome. In front of me is a REDBEAT E3, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, you want to hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. The device will turn off and then start booting back up, and when it does fully boot up, it will enter safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up, obviously done for troubleshooting purposes. Okay, now that the device finally booted up, you can see we have safe mode right here at the bottom, signifying that we are in the desired mode, and when you unlock it, you will probably see either applications being missing from the home screen or just being grayed out and semi-transparent, which that's the second option right here. So each one of these gray applications will not work in this mode, and if you try to open it up, it will give you this pop-up. And once you're done using safe mode, you can boot up back to the normal mode by holding your power button and selecting restart. The device will boot back up and automatically enter normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.